Hi, Shane Thomas here. Today I'm going to go over a little more review with Partner with Anthony program. It's a great program and well laid out. As you can see on the screen here, once you become a member with the Partner with Anthony program, you're going to see that there is 30 sessions here for you to go through. Each session basically loads up one per every 24 hours, so you can always go back and forth and review if you need to review them. So what today I'm going to do is I'm going to go through session one and maybe session two a little bit and explain some stuff here. So as you can see, once you're into the program, module one in session one is welcome with the first steps with Anthony, explains how the program works, what everything is about. Then you get to tour your commission account. This is where, as people get into the affiliate marketing, and maybe if you're promoting the Partner with Anthony program, this is where you're going to see your commissions for other affiliate offers. Again, biggest reasons people fail, most people don't start. Most people don't really get into it, don't follow along. If you get into the program, you're going to see that it's so easy to follow. Everything is in step by step, little baby steps, one thing at a time. So you never get ahead of yourself. And as again, once you've gone through a session or modules, then you can easily go back and do them again. Now, also, right here, you can see the register for Success Connection Live. Once you become a member with a Partner with Anthony program, you're going to be invited to Success Connection. Now, Anthony does a live webinar or group every Thursday night, and he's been doing this for years, doesn't miss it. It's not really a particular section on Partner with Anthony or Ambassador program or any of the products that he has and sells, but it's more of how to work in your business. He builds businesses. There's businesses already done for you in the Success Connection areas where you can get in there and you can start promoting stuff right away. You don't necessarily just have to promote the Partner with Anthony. You can promote any affiliate program. And once you're done, of course, then you get down, you mark your session complete. And as you can see, the next module, for me, I'm up in the higher numbers right now, but I got an hour and 19 minutes before my next module loads up. But if you go into section two here now, you're going to see that is Rethinking Success, 12 Principles to Uncovering the Entrepreneur in You, Momentum's the Key, and then again we get into this session Complete Business here. So very interesting stuff to go through here, and this is just the starting part of it. Now, again, like I said, there's 30 sessions, and most of the sessions have between 4 or 5, sometimes 6 modules in them. It takes, maybe an hour or so to go through, maybe an hour and a half, depending. But you can work through it at your own speed. You can go back and review anything at any time that you'd like to do. Now, just to run you across a little bit up here, we've got our dashboard, which is basically this area here. Commissions and links, that'll take us to where we can view our commissions, and we can get our different links to funnels that are already done for us that we can use to promote different products. Traffic boot camp, you want to learn a little bit more about building traffic. And also you have the opportunity here with the fast traffic source. Anthony has a solo ads provider that he uses, and you can access that as well. We'll get into that in further lessons down the road. And of course, a bunch of resources that can be used. Some of the resources here are autoresponders, email marketing, funnels and websites, link tracking, the webinars, domain names and email addresses where you can get your domain name, email addresses to get that stuff set up, business structure, and even how to deal with some taxes once you're making some income using this. So for today, that's all I'm going to cover. I hope you enjoyed that. Please click the subscribe and notifications button. Leave me a comment. I'd sure like to see what you have to think about these videos and what else you might want to see in the videos. That would help me as well. So that's something I'd like you to go ahead and do right now. And hopefully I'll get my next video out here in a couple of days and we'll go over session 3 and session 4. And as I get a little farther along, I'll get a little more in depth. So remember, subscribe, notifications, and please leave me a comment. Thanks very much. Hope you're having a great day.